In this video, let us learn repeated addition with number line. Number line is a straight line with numbers. First, we will draw a number line. It always start with 0 and then we will mark all the numbers up to 15. Okay. Now, the frog can leap in 3 up to 12. That is, the frog can jump 3 units distance in one attempt. Then how many attempts the frog will take to reach 12? This is what we want to find here. Okay, so for that we have to add 3 repeatedly. For finding that we have to add 3 repeatedly. So from 0 the frog will jump to 3. Okay, again count 3 units and then jump to next 3 and come to 6. Still the frog not come to 12. So again it will jump to 3 units and this time it will come to 9 because 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, so again it will jump to 3 units and come to 12. So finally the frog will reach what? 12. So for leaps of 3 units each is shown as 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. That is 3 when repeatedly added 4 times it gives 12, which can be expressed 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. That is 4 times 3 is 12. Understood? Let's see another example. Now the frog can leap covers 4 unit distance to reach 20. Okay, so for the so first we will draw a number line. Then we will mark all the numbers from 0 to 20 because we want to find the leaping position of the frog on the number on the line to reach 20. So we will mark all the numbers up to 20. So now the frog can leap in 4 up to 20. That is, the frog can jump 4 unit distance in one attempt. Then how many attempts the frog will take to reach 20? Okay, so for that we have to add 4 repeatedly. We have to add 4 repeatedly. So from 0 the frog will jump to 4. The frog will jump to 4. Again count 4 numbers and then jump to next 4 and this time it will come to what? 4 plus 4 is 8. So this time it will come to 8. Still the frog not reach the number 12. So again it will jump to 4 numbers. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So and come to 12. Okay, again it will jump to 4 numbers and come to 16 because 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, wow. Still the dog not reach the required number 20. So again it will jump to 4 numbers and this time it come to 16 plus 4 is 20. So finally the frog will reach 20. Okay, wow. For leaps of 4 units each, it is shown as 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 and 16 plus 12 is equal to 20. Okay, so that is 4 when repeatedly added 5 times. 4 when repeatedly added 5 times it gives 20, which can be expressed 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. That is 5 times 4 is equal to 20. I understand this. Thank you.